So today on Tech and Finance, I'm here to teach you about how to make money as an influencer. So we are in 2024. We are about to enter into 2025. There are a lot of people that are on the social media space, and then everybody is looking at ways and means to make money. There are some people who have social media accounts but are not active on the social media accounts, all in the name of maybe social media is for the devil. Okay, now so you can make money or make a living out of social media. Okay, so as I said the last time, there are always the positive aspect of things and the negative aspect of things. You can't have everything like that. So you have to focus on the positive aspect of things and then use it to build yourself. So I'm talking about being an influencer. I'm not talking about being a celebrity. In Africa, many people see influencers as celebrity. Yeah, influencers are basically hustlers. We are social media hustlers. We are using social media to make money. We are using social media to make ends meet. We are using social media as a side hustle. And so if you are able to amass audience or get people or followers or subscribers or much engagement on your social media platform, this is the time where you have to monetize it. How then do you monetize your social media platform? As I said in my earlier videos about affiliate marketing, there you can be an affiliate marketer on your social media platform and you make money. But then there are also different types of influencing. Okay, there are different types of influencing. We have the vlog influencer, we have the travel influencer, and we have the kind of product influencers. Okay, and then there are those who promote companies and services and all that. There are different types of influencers. There are those who just advertise on their platform and then take I think some maybe monthly stipends or something. There are those who also become brand ambassadors and all that. But then in 2024, we are entering 2025, you can make a living out of it. And then how to become an influencer is one, to build a social media platform. It's easy. This is one of the easiest ways to do. You can create a TikTok platform, a Facebook platform. I believe many people already have that. So that is just a basic step. Okay. After getting the social media platforms, it is time to create content that will drive audience or content that will attract more audience. And so in social media or on the social media platform, numbers is what we use as an advantage. So your numbers, your engagements, your reactions, the number of people that are engaging on your content is what makes you successful on the social media platforms. And so to become an influencer, you need engagements, you need the subscribers, you need the likes, the views and all that. So if you are capable of getting these views and all that according to your niche, okay, so maybe you can be a gym person, or maybe somebody who maybe talks about food. Okay, so you can be a food blogger, or maybe you can be a content, let's say comedian, okay, comedy skits and stuff. So all these kind of niches are where you need to venture. Things that will drive more people, more audience to your page. And now, when you get the people on your platform, that is when you start monetizing it. And then you can even make a living by just that. You can visit a company and tell them, okay, you show them your analytics. Your analytics deals with the number of engagements you get on posts, the likes, the views, the comments and all that. They are the analytics of your page. So you present that data to a company and tell them, okay, when I post in a day, this is the number of people that engage with my product, my post, and this is the number of people that react to my post, and this, and then talking to this company. Sometimes you don't sit down for the company to approach you. No, you have to approach them. And that is influencing. Sometimes you have to approach them and tell them, hey, I've seen that maybe this and this and that, your company needs my services. Yes, it's a service. Like somebody who has a skill of graphic design, who has the skill of photography, and then you can see somebody product or pictures online, and then you say, no, let me approach this company and tell them this kind of concept is not good. And then you speak to their understanding. You tell them why they need to hire you and why they need you as a photographer, or why they need you as a videographer, or why they need you as a graphic designer. That's the same way you are a content creator, you are a social media person, you have a social media account, you have the engagement and everything. But then you have to approach a company and tell them, boss, this my social media page, when I post, I get about 500,000 likes, I get about 20,000 comments, I get about 70,000 shares and all that. These are my analytics showing the demography, where the number of people, the time, and all these things. And then if it appeases the interest of that company, they will put you on as maybe an affiliate partner, or maybe somebody who will be a brand ambassador or an influencer for them. And so there are people that I've seen on the social media platform who are traveling all over the world, not with their money. And so sometimes when you see these influencers moving around, sometimes it's not their money, it's not their car. Some of them don't even have the money to buy it. It is because they are influencers, the companies give them the products, or maybe they sell cars, they do this, they give them some of the products. And so you see them, some of the influencers, maybe in wigs that are very costly, and then you think, oh, they have got money, and some of them don't buy these things because of the audience that they have. There are companies that look at them, small companies that even look at them and want them to advertise for them and give them samples of their products that they have, and then they use it and then they advertise for them in order to make money and also make sales for the companies. So social media is a great business now. To become a social media influencer is a very big business that you can make money out of. You can even be traveling around the world by just being a social media influencer. You can be traveling all over the world and you wouldn't pay even one city. The social media presence and all that will fund it. And so if you want to make money in 2024, 2025 and beyond, I suggest to you that you venture into social media influencing. If you already have the numbers and you have the audience and the engagements, it will be a best kind of skill, or a best way of making money in the next year or this year. So I know this has helped you. Subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to make money, and then about technology and finance. Okay, so see you on the next video.